This is the Stealth SwiftVault. It offers keypad access and biometric access. I've given this an access code, and I've registered one fingerprint. Inside, there's an LED that lights up the interior, and right beneath that LED is the button for registering fingerprints in the system. That button is completely unprotected, and it can be reached by the corner of the lid. Before I do that, I need to show you that my thumbprint is not in the system. Nothing happens. Now, in the interest of being covert about this and not leaving any scratches, I'm going to use this broken coffee stirrer to pry the lid, so I can poke in there with a piece of coat hanger wire. And that's it. The damage is done. Now I want to talk about this crappy bypass cylinder. It's a 7-pin tubular lock that tensions on the outside. These locks are easy to pick with cheap HUK brand picks. You can buy these on Amazon. In fact, you can buy these the same day you buy your safe, so you can pick your safe open. I took the tensioning pin out of this one so it can slide right over the plug. I'm going to let the feeler gauges grab into the pinholes and tension the lock that way. And it really takes nothing to open this. The last thing I want to talk about is this, the LED next to where the wall adapter plugs in. First, I'll unplug this adapter, and then what I want to do is push this LED in and try to insert my coat hanger wire. I want to try reaching over to where the latch and the release is, and then try to pop the lid that way. And that's the end of that.